everyone, welcome to my channel once again. And I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video in English, and hopefully I can be more consistent in uploading videos. So let's just start. Let's get straight into it. So this bracelet is advanced, but it's more like easy advanced. It's like one of those first bracelets that you learn once you already master the basic knots. Okay, so here we go. For this bracelet, you're gonna need 8 strings, all different colors. And excuse the paint that I have on my fingers. I was painting something and yeah, I spill some paint on my fingers and it's hard to take off. But anyways, you're gonna need 8 strings, all different colors. Mine are purple, white, green, orange, black, pink, blue, and yellow. So I tried to just like grab all the colors that I could. Okay, so now you're gonna need to know how to make all the 4 basic knots, which is the forward knot, the backward knot, the forward backward knot, and the backward forward knot. Okay, and that's it. So now we're gonna start the right side. Gonna grab the 2, okay, the blue and the yellow, and we're gonna make a backward forward knot. Okay, so if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I do have a video. Well, I have a couple of videos explaining the basic knots, and everything will be in the description. Okay, all the links are going to be in the description. So now, after we make the backward forward knot, now we grab the next pair of strings. Okay, in my case is the black and the pink, and we're going to make a backward forward knot. Backward forward knot. Then still with this string, with the pink one, we're gonna make 2 forward knots. So 1 and 2, like this. Okay, so we've used all these strings, so now we grab the next pair that we haven't used, and we're gonna make again a backward forward knot, a backward forward knot, like this. Now with the same string, the orange string, we're gonna make this time 3 forward knots. So 1, 2, and 3. Just like this. And now with still the same string, we're going to make a forward backward knot, like this. Okay, now the last 2 strings, again we start with the backward forward knot. So backward forward knot. Then with the same string, 3 forward knots. So 1, 2, and 3. Just make sure that you're grabbing the strings in order. Don't be skipping strings, because that's gonna mess up your bracelet. Okay, so then with the same string, a forward backward knot. There you go. Okay, so now this time we're gonna grab strings from the left side. So we grab the first string and we're just gonna make 2 forward knots. 1 and 2. Then with the same string, do the next one. It's going to be a forward backward knot, like this. Okay? So now, first string again, which is the green one, and immediately we're going to make a forward backward, like this. So now, third string, 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna use this string, and we're gonna make a backward knot. Backward knot, just like this. Okay. So now we're gonna grab the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th string, and we're gonna make a backward knot. So what I'm doing now, it's like the last steps of the pattern that I'm reading. Okay, and then this time from right to left, we're gonna grab the second string. So 1 and 2, which is the orange, and we're gonna make a backward knot. Just like this. And that's basically it. That's what the pattern says. And so it's not necessary to have the same order of strings from the beginning. It's not necessary. It will be kind of confusing to keep following the pattern. So here's the pattern that I'm following from my phone. Okay, but it's exactly the same steps. Okay, and by the way, the pattern, I'm gonna share it on my Facebook page. Okay, which of course is gonna be, the link is gonna be in the description below. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again so you can see that it's just the same steps. So first pair from the right side. Okay, and we're gonna make a backward forward knot, just like this. And then next pair, make sure that you're not skipping any strings. And you're gonna make a backward forward knot. And then with the same string, I'm gonna make 2 forward knots. So 1 and 2, and see, you can see that the zigzag is forming. Okay, so we already used all these strings. So now we grab the next pair, and it's gonna be a backward forward knot. So a backward forward knot, like this. Then the same string, gonna make 3 forward knots. So 1, then you grab the next string, 2, and 3. And then with the same string, a forward backward knot. So a forward backward knot. There you go. Then the last 2 strings, make a backward forward knot like this. And then the same string, it's going to be 3 forward knots. So 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Then the same string, forward, backward knot. There you go. Now we're gonna grab the first string from the left side, okay, so the green one, and we're gonna make 2 forward knots. So 1 and 2. Then with the same string to the next one, a forward, backward knot. There you go. Now we grab the fourth string. Finally, we're gonna use the black string, and we're gonna make a forward, backward knot. Now for this step, I know I didn't mention it before, it's basically you're grabbing all the forward, backward knots that we started making here. So yes, it's the third string, 1, 2, 3, but see, it's a forward, backward knot that I made previously. So then we grab that string and we make a backward knot, just like this, okay? And then we go to the next string, that's a forward, backward knot. In this case, it's the 5th string, and we make a backward knot. And then we go to the next one, which is the white one, which is the 2nd string, and it's gonna be a backward knot. And there you have it. I repeated these steps, or the pattern, twice, and this is what you have. So then you keep repeating it, and then you're gonna see more of the black and more of the blue. All the colors are gonna be noticeable, okay? Just to let you guys know that. So now I'll just finish this bracelet so that way you guys can appreciate more the beauty of it. Okay, so let's start or continue. And here we have it. Here's this beautiful bracelet. You can see the zigzag and the alternating colors. Okay, I decided to finish it off with a rope braid. This is how it looks on the other side. And there you go, a simple bracelet, beautiful bracelet. And if you guys like this tutorial, please like this video. I also invite you guys to like my Facebook page. That's where I share pictures of my bracelets and the patterns that I use, and I also try to answer to your messages about questions or help or anything like that. Okay, and well, I hope you guys had a great Christmas and New Year's Eve. And well, if you guys would like to see more tutorials of how to make this beautiful friendship bracelets, then please subscribe, and I will see you next time.